We have our Play-Doh, we have our markers, and we have our Legos. And now we are going to make things, cool things, all about pirates. All right, so we're going to make something out of Play-Doh. We're going to draw something. We're going to make something out of Legos, all about pirates. Okay, let's just dive right in. Let's move the Legos to the side. We'll move our markers and paper to the side. And I think we're going to start by making a pirate. We're just going to make a pirate. Let's make a pirate. So we're going to get out our blue. And let's see, a pirate. Well, a pirate starts, it's just a person, right? It's just a person like you or I. But I'm going to set a little bit aside. And I'll show you why in a minute. But first, let's just start with a person shape. So a person has two legs, right? Two arms and a head, okay? So we'll just kind of pinch out, different parts, legs, arms, head, leaving crumbs here. Sort of this shape, right? It kind of just looks like a very simple, like a gingerbread man, right? Got two arms, two legs, head. No big deal, very simple. But he's going to be our pirate. So first, let's give him a peg leg. So here we'll give him one. Here's his regular leg, and let's make this into a little kind of thin-ish peg leg, right? So he's got this wooden leg. So when he walks, he's like step, click, step, click, step, click. See what I'm saying? Wow, he looks like a pirate already. Now, on the other side, let's see. So this, we'll keep this. This is his regular hand. And this, we'll give him a hook, right? Because some pirates, I guess, maybe had a hook for a hand. Kind of weird, creepy, a little bit kind of spooky, but we're going to go with it. We're going to go with it because, some pirates have a hook. Captain Hook had a hook. All right, so there. He's got his little hook hand. Now, he's got his peg leg. He's got his hook hand. He already looks like a pirate. But wait. Remember this bit I took, left to the side? We're going to give him that, a real fancy, pirate hat. He needs a pirate hat. And I think a pirate hat kind of looks just maybe like a... I don't know. Kind of like a hat. Like a hat that you would wear out kind of fishing. It's got the brim all the way around. We'll put it on and we'll see how it looks. Oh, it looks a little bit like a wizard's hat. But I think we'll curve up the sides. Yeah, like this. Oh, now it looks a little bit like a cowboy hat. But I think this is how we do it. You turn it this way, right? And now... Oh, that's a proper pirate. Look at that. Bluebeard, the pirate. Wait, there's one other thing. We're going to make a little tiny parrot that will sit on his shoulders. Because did you know, that's not untrue. Some pirates did have parrots as pets. Pirates just like you and I, they could get lonely. And because parrots, they some of them talk. They make sounds and they talk and they say words. It kind of helped them from being lonely. When they were out on the ship for a long, long time. So some would have parrots as pets. I don't know, how much they, perched on the pirate's shoulders. I don't know how true that is, but they did have them as pets. So there we go. There's our pirate. Peg leg, hook hand, parrot on the shoulder, cool pirate hat. Envision an eye patch. Okay, he's got an eye patch too. But yeah. I know we can't see it, but we have to use our imagination. But there's our pirate. Bluebeard the pirate. Peg leg, parrot on the shoulder. Alright, we're gonna set him aside. So there's our parrot. Now, let's see here. I think we're going to move on to our Legos. Right? Let's use our Legos. And with the Legos, I think Whoa, that's a lot of Legos. With the Legos, we're going to make a pirate ship. So we're going to start with a, not a terribly long bottom, because we're going to have it kind of go up like a crescent, like a moon, like a smiley face, right? It's going to look like a smiley face when it's done. Almost like a smiley face. You'll see. I'll show you where I'm at. See that? A little bit smiley. See? But we're going to keep going. We're going to keep going up on the sides like this. Maybe we'll do one more. It'll be a pretty nice big ship. So here's our pirate ship now, right? You see that? We're going to build up, because we're going to put like a cabin on the back here, because that's where the captain lives, and that's also like where he steers the boat from, right? So we'll put a nice cabin on the back where he lives and where he steers the boat from, right? So there's the captain's cabin, right? There's the boat. You can see it. Can't you envision it? Sailing the seven seas. Right now, what's it missing? A sail, right? A pirate ship needs a sail. A pirate ship needs a sail. So we're going to build our sail. Let's see how. I think we're going to go like this. We're going to keep going like this. We're going to make it kind of like an angle, like a triangle, right? I'll show. Oops, I put that in the wrong spot. Let's see here. We're going to take our. Oh, look at this. This is looking pretty cool. I'll show you in just a minute. Hold on. See what I'm doing there? I'm coming up, and then I'm going to go back, right? So it looks like a sail. And this is going to be our pirate ship, our wicked cool pirate ship. Let's see. We need this little piece here, I think. And we'll add this. And then I think sometimes at the top of these, right, they had what's called the crow's nest. There was like a basket up there, and some pirates would hang out up in this crow's nest, and that's where they could like look out to see if there was enemies approaching, or to see if there was like, if they were looking for land, they could look out. So there you have it. There's the pirate ship. The cabin for the captain, that's where he steers. The sail, right, that's where you catch the wind. And you can see, I could envision it on the seven seas, right? The pirate ship. So there we have our pirate with our hat and our peg leg and our hook and our parrot on the shoulder, and we have our pirate ship, right? Very cool. So we're going to set that aside, set the pirate aside, set the pirate ship aside. We'll save that for later. We're going to clean up our Legos, and then we're going to draw our picture. Okay, we're going to draw our picture. Well, it's not going to be like a picture like artwork, though. You know what it's going to be? It's going to be a treasure map, right? Because that's what pirates did. They hid their treasure, and then they drew a map so they could find their way back to it. So let's see here. Where is the treasure going to be? Treasure's going to be on this little island, right? And there's a palm tree on this island, right? And right there is a big X, right? Because X marks the spot. That's where the treasure is hidden. But I mean, we can't just go there. We don't know where it is. Well, here's where it is. We're gonna draw a line, right? And when you pass the mountains over here, these big mountains, then you go this way to the island. But how do you get to the mountains? Well, you come this way, right? And you have to go through a cave, right? A cave that leads to a stream over here, right? A stream that runs down, right? So there's the cave. Here's more. Now, once you find the stream, then you have to come back this way, and here's like the open ocean, right? So once you find yourself there, you're going to look for the cave, right? You have to go through the secret cave, sail up and around until you hit the mountains. Then you follow around, you sail until you come to the secret single palm tree island where the X is, because X marks the spot. Now, your map doesn't have to look like my map. We just did it quick, but you can add all types of things. You can add mountains and streams and all types of landmarks, cool rocks and cool trees and things like that. Hide your treasure wherever you want. But make sure it ends with an X, because X always marks the spot of where the treasure is. So there you have it. We drew our treasure map, our pirate treasure map. We have our sailing ship, our pirate ship, very cool, with our sail and our cabin for the captain. And here's the captain, Captain Bluebeard. Parrot on the shoulder, peg leg, hook hand, cool hat. There you have it. We did some stuff. We made some stuff all about pirates. That was super fun. Now, you don't have to wait for me. You can make stuff too. Get your Play-Doh out, get your markers out, get your Legos out, and make things. Draw things. Doesn't have to be about pirates. Could be about anything you want. Okay? But just do it. Get out there and do it and make stuff. And have fun. Okay?